Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you with another awesome weight loss video for you today. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to shrink your belly weight. And this is a diuretic tea. This is the same as a parsley tea that's going to have you go. It's going to flush you out. But this tea, I have an extra ingredient that's going to help to boost your metabolism and burn that fat. So let's start right now. Now these are simple ingredients. You're going to need a pan, okay? You're also going to need some coriander leaves. Coriander leaf has high contents of antioxidants and helps in digestion. It helps in weight reduction and aiding in burning all fat accumulated all over the body. Coriander works to naturally heal the thyroid and regulate the production of the thyroid hormone. Now you can use a half a cup, but these are wonderful freshly washed coriander leaves. And you're also going to need 2 cups of filtered or spring water. So let's put that in our pan while it is heating up. And we're going to do this on a low-medium flame. Next, you're going to need some cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon increases insulin sensitivity and decrease blood sugar. Both are key components for losing weight and controlling type 2 diabetes. Cinnamon also boosts your metabolism and is high in fiber, which is very important for helping you to feel full. Okay. We're also going to be working with some garlic root. Garlic is a known appetite suppressant and is responsible for boosting energy levels that burns calories. This will result in you losing weight. Okay. A lime or a lemon. Limes are high in vitamin C and antioxidants. They will help to boost your metabolism, which will help in your body storing less fat. They will also stimulate your gastrointestinal tract, improve your digestion, and reduce heartburn risk disease factor. This will also help to prevent kidney stones, aid iron absorption, and promote healthy skin. And some organic honey. Consuming honey right before bedtime can help you burn more calories during the early hours of sleep. This ingredient is enriched with essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats as well. Essential hormones in honey suppress appetite and aids in weight loss. Now you're going to take your coriander leaves, and about a half a cup of coriander leaves is all we need. Okay, I'm going to use the rest for another recipe. Okay, next we're going to be using cinnamon sticks. Now you can use cinnamon powder if you don't have the sticks, but today we're going to be using 1 cinnamon stick. I'll pop that in there as well. So now we're going to need our garlic cloves. So for our garlic cloves, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of our garlic. Okay, about 1 teaspoon. A half to a whole teaspoon is fine. So if you have a half a teaspoon, that's fine. You can do that as well. Okay. Now to make this more potent, I'm just going to juice a half of my lime in my cup on the side. And then I'm going to take my lime and cut the peel in pieces. Alright, and I'm going to add the peels into my pot and separate the lime juice for afterwards. And tea is finished steeping on the stove. So what we're going to do now is just strain into our cup. Okay, and then we're going to pour in our half a lime that we squeezed earlier. Pour that in there. Okay. And lastly, you sweeten with 1 teaspoon of your organic honey. Okay. And that's it, you guys. There you have it, your powerful weight loss tea. And what you can do is you can make this in the morning on an empty stomach as well as throughout the day. You can also drink this at night before bed. This is what's going to help to burn the visceral belly fat in your stomach and help you to lose that weight. Okay? So you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey, as well as check down below for the links for the reusable straws, as well as the personal and full-size NUTRIBULLET blenders, okay? And share these videos with your friends and family also on a weight loss journey. Don't forget to also check out my other channel, Velvetlox, where you will see hair care, skincare, fashion hauls, and more, okay? And until the next video, you guys, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.